I am proud to be from the Antrim lands I come. Although I labour by the sea, I have followed Fife and the Rum. I have heard the martial tramp of men, I've seen them fight and die, and it's well that I remember when I followed Henry Joy. I pulled my boat in from the sea, and I hid my sails away. I hung my nets upon a tree, and I scanned the moonlit bay. The boys were out and the red coats too. I kissed my wife goodbye, and there in the shade of a greenwood glade I followed Henry Joy. Ah, lads, for Ireland's cause we fought, and for home and sire we bled. Though our numbers few, our hearts beat true, and 5-1 lay dead. And many's the lassie mourns her lad, and mother mourns her boy. For youth was strong in the dashing throng that followed Henry Joy. In Belfast town they built a tree, and the red coats mustered there. I saw him come as the beats of the drum rolled out in the barrack square. He kissed his sister and went aloft and waved a last goodbye. Alas, he died. I turned and I cried, they have murdered Henry.